Sneh pensa ya Pynkhuid jing suba ba jing jangam ka social ka sang symbol of Sneh society kala pulai jing Pynkhuid ki Thain police bazar bar kala samri Jingiarap shi priyo ka shong sa ki suro.
Hello, Namaste. I'm Preeti Thapa, the founder of Symbol of Sneh Society, the SRSS. So we are here in PB, in the streets of PB, and we are here for the cleaning campaign. And after the cleaning campaign, we are gonna follow up with the sustainable products donation to the needy people. We are donating to the needy people in the streets of PB and also to the old age home and child center too.
Yakni ka jing Pynkhuid kabla long hakalai phoi tere unai lar aja ar lawan man yasnok ti langru de ka Shillong Municipal Board ka Police Bazar Welfare Society ka Sardar Police Station ka Fashion Department jo Kaleni Keen College ka NIFT Shillong ka All Borough Students Union bar kiwe de kiliu shimet.
Symbol of Sneh Society. Terima kasih doa negara Pynkhuid. Bagi kat tu kat ni tuli kita happy bi. Bak ngasih komen sisa badan tingkat bagi. Boleh.
We are in Police Bazar, but I don't think so you guys will know that I am in Police Bazar because this is a part of Police Bazar where hardly people notice. So we are here to clean this area today, which you are going to see in the video later. So we have done whatever we could, and yes, I would like to thank everybody who is a part of this cleaning drive today, along with the team, the members, and the students, the municipal office, of course, and Rishi sir and everybody, and the Police Bazar Welfare Association. Everybody, I would like to thank them that we could at least do something today.
Preeti Thapa, the invite yang apa ni dalam langkah kena cleaning for PB keliling jonga hi ngasngeo ai ke Jingiarap ya ka priti apa jongka NGO jongi jongka SOS Sneh ma.
So I'm here with the Police Welfare Society members, Arpitji and Lalji. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Arpit Agrawala from Police Welfare Society and हमारे जो सेक्रेटरी है मिस्टर देवेंद्र सिंह हानिया ने मुझे इनके साथ काम करने का मौका दिया है सिंबल ऑफ स्नेह सोसाइटी के साथ एंड हमें बहुत खुशी है कि हमको इसके साथ काम करने का मौका मिला एंड हमें एक अच्छी फीलिंग आई कि हमें इनके साथ काम करके एक सोसाइटी की मदद हो रही है, एक हमारी लोकेलिटी क्लीन हो रही है, तो हम हमेशा आगे करने के लिए तैयार रहेंगे एंड वी आर इट गिव्स अस इमेंस प्लेजर so we'll always be there. And Mr. Devendra Singh Arya, when he approached me to work with T, so एक अलग मतलब फीलिंग आई कि हमें एंड हम आगे भी इनके साथ काम करते रहेंगे एंड थैंक यू सो मच सिंबल ऑफ स्नेह सोसाइटी.
Thanks to you
Thank
all
you.
also.
Thank
Thanks
you,
to
ma'am.
you all,
Thank you,
Lalji,
thank you,
Arpitji
ma'am.
and
Thank you.
Devendra Singh Hania ji for giving me this opportunity to work with you all and definitely आगे भी करने वाले हैं और बड़े वे से करने वाले हैं क्योंकि अपना सोसाइटी है, अपना घर है.
अपना घर है.
हाँ, चैरिटी स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम होम दे से, सो हम लोग अपने घर से ही शुरू कर रहे हैं, तो अपना घर को ही क्लीन रखना है, तो वही है हमारा एक
सबसे बड़ा
एकदम बड़ा मोटिव वही है.
एंड आज के दिन में हमें ज़रूरी है अपने एनवायरनमेंट को और इस जगह को क्लीन रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
I'm Pynkhuid Baswar, a member of Symbol of Sneh Society, and I'm glad that I could contribute for today's social event, namely cleaning drive, conducted by the Symbol of Sneh Society.
Hi everyone, my name is Anshu Guru and I'm one of the member of the SOS Society.
Hey guys, my name is Siddharth Muru and today we are here in Shillong and we had this social event, a charity event done by the Symbol of Sneh Society and we were really happy and glad that the All Global Student Union from Shillong has joined us for this initiative and with us we have the members of all.
Donating these sustainable products to the shelter homes and in the streets of BB. And I would like to thank Lady King College, the NIF Shillong for supporting us and our designer Connie, Fiba and Saka. Talking about sustainable fashion, what basically we do is when we make a garment or anybody, when somebody stitches a garment, there's a wastage. When you cut a garment, there's always a wastage of all those small pieces. So what we are doing is we are making masks, we are making rubber bands and we are donating them to the needy people. Like we are making handkerchiefs, we are making sustainable bags. As we all know that plastics are banned, so we are trying to, we are like supporting and we are promoting sustainable products through all these things also. Charity begins at home and this is my home and as a local girl from Shillong, and it always saddens me to see all these needy people and I always wanted to do something. Then of course I came up with this society called Symbol of Sneh Society and we are trying to do something including the youth of our state. So I think it's just the beginning. There's more to come. So I would want more helping hand so that we can do more bigger things in the future. Sadar Police Station, Municipal Board Shillong, Police Bazar Welfare Society, and to my team and to everybody who were the part of this event today for this special cause. Thank you so much.